Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to share location with your friends and family. Suppose that you're going to a place, you have an appointment with someone, and then you don't have a peace of mind. You think that something may happen if you go to that particular spot. So there's a way to share location for a certain amount of time with your friends and family, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay guys, so to share location with your friend and family, so you suppose that you have an appointment with someone. Let's say that you're selling a phone, and then you have an appointment with somebody somewhere in certain area and you don't feel safe. In that case, you can share your location with your loved ones, friends, family, with anybody. So to do that, you have to go to your messenger. Okay, from here you can come to messenger and you can select the person you want to share location with. Suppose that here I'm going to share the location with this person right here, and then I'm gonna go to you select the picture here, the person's name on tab, and from here you can select share location. As you can see it here, share my location with this person. When you tap on it, it shows share location for 1 hour, or you can say until, for example, the end of the day. All right, let's go back, and or you can share location indefinitely. That means forever. All right, so now I'm going to this location, then I have an appointment with someone, and I'm gonna sell him a phone, but I don't know if I'm safe. So for that, you can select share location. So I'm gonna select for 1 hour, and here, as you can see it here, so it shows my location. All right, so in that case, if something happened, you can also add comment. Okay, hey honey, I'm sharing my location with you. Sharing my location with you, just in case, because I'm selling a phone with somebody. And then you hit send, and now this person gonna monitor your location, gonna find out if everything is okay with you. You know, if you there for more than an hour, and then that person will then contact the authorities and say that, well, I was sharing a location with this person, however, I haven't heard from him. All right, and in that case, you can call your friend, you know, that you're sharing location with, so to find out if everything is okay. So if something is wrong, so that person can either drive to your location or call the authorities. And as you can see it here, she's calling me, right? She's trying to make sure that if everything is okay. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
I'm just making a video, that's why I'm good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm making a YouTube video about sharing a location for safety issues.
Oh, okay.
All right, thank you for calling back.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Right. So guys, that's how you do it. It's very simple. As you can see, that was a great demonstration about sharing a location with family. If anything happened to you, they can either react, call you, or call the authorities just to save you if you are being harmed. Okay, so guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.